Well, there's been a lot of discussions regarding the liquor sales in Lakshadweep. Well, liquor is not fully banned in Lakshadweep, though there were a lot of protests in the past against the liquor sales by the locals here. It's sold in designated areas in Kavarati, the capital of Lakshadweep, as well as in Bangaram Islands. But it's not sold to the locals. It's sold only to the tourists and the government officials who come to the island for official duty. And this is also done under the guidance of the administration. Now, we are also here going to introduce to you a drink, a natural drink, actually a natural sweet drink called Neera. That's very popular in Lakshadweep. Well, it's not alcohol actually, but it's tapped from the coconut tree, freshly tapped sweet drink, which if fermented can become a toddy. Now, toddy is very popular in Kerala, which is fermented and made into a local alcohol kind of drink. That's toddy. But here it's not done that way. It's purely fresh, sweet, and bit of a it's freshly tapped. So it has a very unique taste. That's what Neera is. I actually have somebody with me who collects and taps this drink. I'll actually ask him, and we'll get to know more about this. ചേട്ടാ പേര് ഇത് ലക്ഷദ്വീപ് ഇത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? സാധാരണ മറ്റേ കള്ള് കേരളത്തിൽ കള്ള് ചെത്തിയെടുക്കുകയാണ്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണോ?
ഇത് കള്ള് പോലത്തെ തന്നെ. ഇത് കൊണ്ട് വയറ്റ് ചെത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് കൊണ്ട് കീന്നും തൊട്ട് വച്ചാലാണ് ഇത് കള്ളായിട്ട് വരാണ്. അത് എടുത്ത പാടും കള്ളായിട്ട് വരില്ല. ഇത് മീരായിട്ടാണ് കിട്ടുവാണ്, മധുരം കൂടുതലായിട്ട് കിട്ടും. പിന്നെ കുറച്ച് കൈയുണ്ടാകുമ്പോഴും കഞ്ഞാണ് ഇത് പളിയാന പോലെ പിന്നെ കള്ളായി മാറിക്കൊണ്ട് പോകും.
So he's telling that this is the same procedure like how it's done. The toddy is tapped from the coconut, but toddy needs it. The freshly tapped drink should be fermented, and only then it becomes toddy. Here it's not done that way. Before that, it's sweet and fresh. So the islanders here and the tourists who come here also consume it as the fresh form of drink. ഇതിന് ഇവിടെ നല്ല ഡിമാൻഡ് ഉള്ളതാണോ? ഒരുപാട് ആവശ്യക്കാരുള്ളതാണ്.
ആവശ്യക്കാരമ്പാടുണ്ട്. ഇത് കിട്ടാതെമ്പാടും പേര് മടങ്ങി പോകും ദിവസേന. കെട്ടിനാക്ക് എന്നേരം ഉള്ളാക്ക് കൊടുക്കും, അല്ലാതെ മടങ്ങിപ്പോകും. പിന്നെ ചെന്ന് മണ്ണ് അവർക്ക് ഉള്ളാക്ക് കൊടുക്കും. വെട്ടിച്ചും പോയാക്ക് കിട്ടാതെ പോയാക്ക് പിന്നെ ഉള്ള നേരത്ത് അവർക്ക് കൊടുക്കും.
So there's basically a lot of sales for this particular drink called Neera. There's a high demand for this. Whoever comes, whoever can, is lucky enough will get it. Otherwise, they will not get it, or they'll get it the next day. That's what he's saying. Well, this is the Neera drink that I was talking about, which is very popular here in Lakshadweep. Let me try. It's very sweet actually, with a slight kick actually, because it's not like coconut water. It's properly a very sweet and a very unique taste. Like you can actually feel the the coconut flavor very, very strongly in this. It's very strong and very sweet actually. That is what is you see in most part of Lakshadweep. Coconuts play a very important role. What the locals are saying is that it's fully coconut and fishing. These are the only two things that they actually produce on their own in the island. Everything else comes from Kerala and other states is what they have been telling us. So coconut plays a very important role, and this was about Neera, a drink that's very, very popular in Kerala. Slightly similar to toddy, but it's not toddy. It doesn't have alcohol content. It's a fresh, pure, sweet drink. With video journalist Kiran, this is Shipimol KG for India Today from Lakshadweep.